What is going on, YouTube? It's Huncho back with another video. As you can see, we're back on the YouTube. I'm actually hyped because right now we just got a big car part that just came in right over there. I'll be showing you guys what it is, but I want to show you how the car is sitting right now. I know in the last video, as I said, we're on the stockies currently, but I did get the front lip back. It is painted. Found a new guy to paint over here. He came super clutch. It's really quality work. Car's a little bit dirty, but as you can see, car's all painted. And right now it's looking kind of low. I never parked my car right here at this exact spot, but it looks pretty insane that sitting that low, not gonna lie. Yeah, man, overall we did the front lip paint match. This is my favorite front lip, so I had to go with that one again. And also we did get G80 carbon mirrors. Take a look at that. So between the carbon G80 ones and the ones that I used to have, it's a little bit different. The black ones I used to have were more like the F-Series M style, where the curve sort of like goes up a little bit. G80 is just a flat line going across, so it's something that looks a little more LCI, I would say, something a little more updated. So we did those, and now my favorite part will be the back of the car. Now take a look at that. Shout out to my boy Rob that bought this CS spoiler off him. CS style one, so something subtle, but I did do the paint match on that as well. Take a look at that. Blue on blue. Now take a look at this rear end, man. Take a look at that. Looks really, really sick. Really hype about that. But overall, skip to the part that I just got. So shout out to Carbon Showroom. This is the brand or the company that I ordered it from. Literally got it shipped under 4 days, which is pretty insane. I placed the order on Saturday and today is Thursday, so you know, it was just 1 day business wait, but then the rest of it, they were just on point, so shout out to them. But as you guys can see, we got a Yofer brand part. Now I'm pretty sure you guys will guess it by now, but it is a side skirt. This was left in the packaging, but I did mock one up on this side, so we are going Yofer side skirts on this one. Now you guys are probably wondering what's the difference between the Yofer one and the normal M style with my carbon. Well, more than happy to show you. So let me back this one up a little bit, take a look at the difference. So overall with your M Sport one, something really subtle. You see you have a nice little body line going along across, and obviously if you want to make it look like an extension or lower, you know, you put a carbon piece. I will be selling these as well if anyone's interested in Florida area, all the way to South Florida or Central Florida. But overall though, with the main side skirt, you know, something subtle, has a nice little body line. Now the reason I went with the Yofer is because the way it looks along, almost like a two-piece, but it's actually just a full one-piece. So as you can see, this is like the regular style up top right here, and then it has sort of like a split in between. And I can't wait to see this paint match because it's gonna look so good. But as you can imagine, when it goes on top of the car, is actually gonna look a little bit lower from the sides. It's gonna look really sleek, really clean. And honestly, this is my first Yofer part. I was actually gonna order the Yofer spoiler, but I was a little bit debating. Plus, you know, my boy had a spoiler that was local, so I picked it up for 40 bucks. It was faded, so I was like, you know what, I might as well just paint match something that I already have in here instead of waiting. But yeah, man, can't wait till the Yofer part's painted. We're actually gonna go to the guy's house right now to go drop it off for parts. He does really quality work. I actually met this guy on Facebook, so he just moved down here from Texas. You know, he does really super good work, and I actually had my boy bring his mirrors to paint match as well. Still got to do exhaust video to install the new tip, so we are waiting on that. Just gotta go when I have time. Honestly, work been pretty OD lately. Let me know what you guys think about the car's current setup right now. Follow all my socials if you guys haven't. Remember, it's Huncho Spec on TikTok, Instagram. I reply to everyone that always has questions about the G20s and stuff like that. But about to load this up in the car real quick so we can head out to the guy's crib, drop it off for paint, and hopefully we'll get it back. Today's Thursday, so maybe around Sunday or Monday the latest. But yeah, man, take a look at that. Car looks so good now, the way it's sitting. And also another good update, I can't wait for this. This should be here in around 20 to 30 days, a couple weeks. The wheels have got shipped out. We're just waiting. I got the confirmation literally like yesterday night, in the middle of the night, like 3 a.m. So can't wait for that. Can't wait to have the wheels. Still gotta order tires, so gotta order those soon. And honestly, everything just been piling up, but soon enough we'll have all the parts and everything ready for Gatlinburg. The deadline's around October, first week of October. I already booked the hotel and stay, so I will say right now is more like crunch time. So enough of that yapping. Let's get forward to putting it in the car, head over to the guy's shop, drop it off, and I'll probably pick up the video when we pick up the part, most likely. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. More videos, more content, more parts, everything like that. Been buying a lot of parts, and honestly been doing a lot of stuff for the car, not only just for my liking and for the show, but honestly just to get more content out there for the YouTube. So it will be really nice. I believe we're at 615 subscribers. We're getting super close to that 1,000 mark. Can't wait for that. It's got to be consistent. And I'll see, we're already in August. Time is flying by, and I started in January, so we're doing pretty damn good in my opinion. And the view's been consistent. I can't appreciate you guys enough. But enough of that. Let's get started on this. Let's pack it up and head over. Like I said, I'll pick up the cam when we go pick up the part. Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's been a few days since I picked up the camera. If I'm not mistaken, I think I dropped off the side skirts on like Thursday or Friday. They've been ready over the weekend, just a little bit been busy with work and some other stuff, but right now my boy's actually picking them up for me, and he's gonna meet me at my crib so we could do a quick install on them. I was searching up online the install, and I think I mentioned it in like the first part of the video that it's super easy. It seems like an overlay with a couple 3M tape and a couple tap screws underneath, so it shouldn't take us that long, hopefully. But you know how that goes, a simple install turns into like damn near an hour. But yeah, so we're gonna get those installed, see how they look. He sent me pictures, they look great. He always does a great job paint matching them, so I can't wait to see how they look on the car. And also another thing, the current sensors that I have right now, we're actually gonna do a little experiment with them and see if they fit on an F chassis. Because my boy, he has a F30 and he's been looking for some carbon side skirts, but he doesn't want the plain ones that go straight. And I was like, hey, you know, I think mine should be able to fit on yours. And with mine, you know, there's no tap screws, it's just 3M tape going along the side of it, like a really strong adhesive. So I'm thinking, you know, what if we just test fit them and see if they are equal length and size, and you know, they mock up perfectly. So if they, oh wow, look, M5's over there. I'm not sure if you can see that, but damn. But what I was saying, but yeah, so if they fit, you know, how they're supposed to, and they look pretty even, honestly, I'll just let my boy get them off me, because I was honestly selling them on Facebook Marketplace, but I'm starting to realize, you know, it's gonna take a while for me to sell it, just because not a lot of people are expecting to drop a couple $100s on damn near side skirts just because they're carbon fiber, which I understand. Like honestly, I was on the fence of buying side skirts carbon for like 3 months until I said, you know what, YOLO, might as well. But yeah, hopefully they fit, so it could be a win-win for everyone. You know, I got new side skirts, he gets new side skirts, so we're gonna see how that plays out. He's actually gonna bring our boys F32 out, but I think it's the same thing compared to the F30s. I see online, you know, all the forums and all the products they sell, everything fits the F32 and the F30 for side skirts, so I don't think it should be an issue. But overall, I'll catch you guys once we get back to the house, and I'll show you guys how the paint match came out and everything. But yeah, I'm super excited to see how everything goes. Right now it's just traffic, as you can see, in Central Florida. It's always like this, can never avoid it. But yeah, let's just say I get home in 30 minutes, so catch you guys when I pick up the camera. Also, I did get confirmation that the wheels are on the way. They should be here soon. I know it's been a little minute. Everyone's been texting me on Instagram though when the wheels are coming and stuff like that, but trust me, they're on the way. I already seen videos of it. He gave me the tracking number through FedEx and everything, so can't wait for that. And also today I did just cop 2 new mods, so that should be another video coming up soon. They said it should arrive next week, maybe a week and a half the latest, but I can't wait for that.
and I still got to make this Beamer code video because I still got to code a couple things in here for the car. But yeah, trust me, man, more content on the way. Like I said, just a little bit patient with the mods and everything. Just want to make sure everything comes out correctly for Gatlinburg. And right now we're on crunch time. We only have a month and like 15 days or like 50 days or something. So just got to get on it, and yeah, can't wait. Well, I'll catch you guys when we get back to the house so we could take a look at them. Alrighty, so my boy Jay just arrived and he got the side skirts over to my crib, got both cars parked up. So for a little before, as you can see, it's just a regular M Sport side skirt with the carbon fiber extension. This is the Kencal V2, the V style one, so it's the one that sticks out. But that's it before. Now take a look at after. This looks insane. Fully paint matched, looks really, really good. Can't wait to look how it sees like under the lighting or in the sun and everything. But bro, it's gonna look really nice because now it's gonna look a little more lower. Side skirts will be all paint matched and everything will be paint matched on the car. So as right now we're gonna jack it up. I gotta remove the side skirts, so we're gonna obviously take care of that and everything like that. Show you guys the process. I actually got to run inside the house and get the 3M tape and tap screws it came with. But as you can see, like I said, majority of it is just lining up the 3M tape and just mocking it over. It is a couple tap screws, like 1, 2, 3. Maybe I put one right here just to be safe about it, but it should be fairly easy to install. So we're gonna get started on that part, and I'll catch you guys once we remove the side skirts and actually mock these up. We'll take a look at that. Looks insane. Shout out to my painter. He's local here in Central Florida, near Kissimmee area. So if you guys want to tap in with him, let me know. He's looking for referrals. He actually told me if I know anyone trying to paint anything. So shoot me a text in DM. It's Huncho Spec. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get started on this install. Alright guys, so we got one side done. Sun came down pretty fast, but it was a little bit difficult than I really imagined. You know, they didn't give no instructions, so I didn't know how to use like the OEM tabs and stuff like that. But honestly, I left the OEM not tabs, but like the OEM like 10mm screws to hold the under tray. I left it there, and I put other screws alongside it just so it could be a little more secure. So as of right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna lower this side. We got to throw on the 3M tape. It should be way quicker because we know what to do now. But take a look at that. It's gonna look way more lower. So right now I'm gonna have Jalen hold the camera, and I'm gonna just lower the car to see how it looks like. So this is how it looks now. Take a look at that. It looks a little more lower. It looks like an extra kit on top of it. Looks super flush, really OEM. Gotta adjust this a little bit. Might take it off, throw some 3M tape another day. But overall, you got the gist of it. It's gonna stay really, really flush and so clean going along the whole body. Can't wait for the wheels to come in. But let me get started on the other side so I can make it to the gas station and show you guys the final look. So I'll catch you guys when we get back to that. Alrighty guys, so the install is done. Can't wait to show you guys right now. Me and Jay about to go cruise out to the 7-Eleven right across the street. Man, in the dark the car looks very low from the side profile, and I think we did a very good job. Honestly, the install, if it had instructions, it would have been a 10 out of 10, but it was just a little bit difficult because I wasn't knowing like where the 3M tape goes, or you know, the way this thing. I really should have mocked it up beforehand, but had an idea in my head. But it's all good because we figured out a way. But overall, shout out Yofer, shout out Carbon Showrooms for sending that skirts out. They sent it out under like 4 days, 5 days. It was like one of the quickest deliveries I ever had. But yeah, let me catch you guys over there by the gas station, and I'll show you guys how the car looks. The car's a little bit dirty, so don't mind it, but it's gonna look very nice. So here's the official install. Yofer side skirts are done, all mounted up, all paint matched. I know you probably see hella fingerprints, but everything came out good. So you can see, take a look at that, all paint matched. Gives the illusion the car looks lower, but it's all one piece. Step back a little bit so you guys have an idea. It's really nice, really flush, especially from this back angle. Everything looks all complete going all the way around. So take a look at that. Car looks really good now, and same thing for both sides. Ain't no fitment issues, no nothing. Everything came out good. So last thing that really got installed left, just really the reflectors on the front and the back. Still got to paint the calipers. Everything else came out cool. Take a look at that part. But slowly but surely, we almost done.
I already got the confirmation that the wheels and something for the wheels is actually coming on the way too. So catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Everything's coming out clutch. Catch you guys in the next vid.